we have a breaking reaction coming in. The Congress party has also reacted to the SP's bulldozer warning. Now, they have differed from the statement and it has said that after the SC judgment, bulldozer action is not needed anywhere.
मैं बिल्कुल एक अलग बात कह रहा हूं। जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये कह दिया है कि मात्र किसी के ऊपर कोई आरोप लग जाए तो आरोपित पर बुलडोजर चलाया जाना नैतिक नहीं, तो फिर कहां चलेगा क्या चलेगा ये तो बात बेमानी हो जाती है, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं। और खैर भाजपा तो हमेशा हर चीज को धर्म के नाम पर बंटवारे में विश्वास करती है, इसमें भी वही कर रही है। जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ही रोक लगा दी तो बुलडोजर का उपयोग तो कहीं नहीं होना चाहिए।
All right, Adeeb is continuing to be live with us. Adeeb, we heard the Congress's reaction, a very interesting reaction coming in from the Congress's side. They don't seem to be agreeing with the Samajwadi Party, basically saying that bulldozer action not needed anywhere after SC's, big statement on the same.
Well, definitely, Meenakshi, see, it's the opposition parties, whether it be Samajwadi Party or Congress, they from time and again they have been asking about and pointing fingers at the BJP's government for their use of bulldozers in such any kind of crime in the state of Uttar Pradesh or whether it be in any other state. But now Samajwadi Party chief himself is saying that he'll be using bulldozers when the party comes into power. So clearly this shows that Samajwadi Party is trying to give a warning to the Bharatiya Janata Party, but Congress is distancing itself from the comment that the Samajwadi Party chief has made on the Gorakhpur and on Yogi Adityanath. And the BJP is hitting on Samajwadi Party. Clearly a war of words has broken out between these two parties, but the chief minister from where he comes is the Gorakhpur city, and the people of the Gorakhpur they have elected Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. In fact, when he was not in the MLA and the Chief Minister, he was multiple times he was the member of Parliament from that particular city. So the Yogi Adityanath, he has a direct influence and connect with the people of Gorakhpur, and now Samajwadi Party is giving a warning like this to BJP and the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on the bulldozer action.
Well, absolutely, Adeeb, and a massive war of words has begun between the Samajwadi Party and the BJP over the same top political reactions coming in. We'll keep an eye on this big story through the course of the day. As of now, stepping into a short commercial break.